Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Hitman World of Assassination on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, you'll need to download Steam, which is the platform that lets you buy, download, and play games. Go to store.steampowered.com, download the Steam app, and create your free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top and type Hitman World of Assassination. If it doesn't appear right away, just press Enter, since some games may be hidden depending on your store settings. Now you'll see Hitman World of Assassination listed. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the official game page. From here, you can either buy the full game or try the free demo if available. Click on Add to Cart, then Purchase for Myself, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Once the purchase is done, you'll be prompted to install the game. Choose whether you want a desktop shortcut or start menu shortcut, and select the drive or folder where you'd like the game installed. After that, click Install, and Steam will automatically begin downloading Hitman World of Assassination. When the download finishes, go to your library, click Home, and you'll find the game ready to play. Just hit play, and you can jump straight into the world of Agent 47. And that's it. That's how you download Hitman World of Assassination on your PC or laptop quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.